Hey everyone, welcome back to our QuickBooks tutorial series. Today, in episode 213, we're breaking down how to create a progress invoice in QuickBooks Online for 2025. If you're running a project-based business like construction or consulting, progress invoices are a lifesaver. They let you bill clients for work completed so far, keeping your cash flow steady and projects on track. Let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the Sales tab in the left-hand menu and click on Invoices. This is your hub for all billing activities. Next, hit the New Invoice button to get started. You'll see a drop-down for invoice types. Select Progress Invoice to ensure you're set up for partial billing. QuickBooks makes this super straightforward, even if you're new to it. Now, enter the customer details. Choose the client from your contacts list or add a new one if it's your first time invoicing them. Then, add the project information, including the total contract amount and how much has been completed so far. This helps QuickBooks track the progress accurately. In the Line Items section, list out the products, services, or milestones you've delivered. Enter the quantities and rates, and QuickBooks will automatically calculate the subtotal based on your progress. Don't forget to add any taxes, discounts, or custom messages to make it professional. Once everything looks good, double-check for errors. Accuracy is key to avoiding disputes. Finally, click Save and Send to email the invoice directly to your client, or download it as a PDF if needed. And there you have it. You've just created a progress invoice in QuickBooks Online. This feature can really streamline your billing process, so give it a try on your next project. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.